Hey y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today's video is on these jumbo twists that I was able to complete in less than 2 hours. That is record timing for me. So if you're interested in seeing the process on how I accomplished this quick protective style, keep on watching. I'm not going to talk much throughout the video because I already have a very detailed beginner-friendly tutorial uploaded on how to do Marley twists, and the twist technique in this video is the exact same, but I do want to touch on a few things before speeding up the time lapse and letting y'all listen to these smooth grooves. Number one, subscribe if you haven't, like the video if you like it, and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Secondly, I am starting on stretched hair, and what makes this video different from the one I uploaded earlier this year is I completely parted my hair off into sections before I started braiding. Now, I've seen this done several times while watching the crochet rubber band technique tutorials, but I didn't know that sectioning the parts off first would save me so much time. The more you know. I parted my hair off into 20 sections for 20 twists, and I'll definitely be sectioning and parting my hair off first going forward. Lastly, this is a protective style, and a part of making sure that my hair is truly protected is taking care of my hair underneath. So I'll be using the black Castor and Chebe hair cream by Nature's Ego to keep my hair moisturized underneath the twist, and I'm using the extra hold shine and jam to slick down my roots and give the twist a more polished, finished look. So this is the final look, and I hope y'all enjoyed this jumbo twist protective style video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.